Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. We are gearing up to celebrate Christmas, a time of love, joy, and togetherness. The festive season is upon us, bringing us the warmth of family gatherings, the thrill of exchanging gifts, and the delight of sharing delicious snacks and meals. To make your celebrations even more special, we've curated two amazing playlists, Festive Snacks and Festive Dishes, on our YouTube channel, Get Cooking Now. Simply follow our detailed step-by-step recipes to create these mouth-watering Christmas dishes and snacks right at your home. Our Festive Snacks playlist includes all our delicious side dishes, and our Festive Dishes playlist features all our savory main dishes. Type Festive Snacks or Festive Dishes in the comment section and we'll send you the respective links. Don't forget to check the description box and the pinned comment for the playlist links too. These delicious recipes are sure to create some memorable moments this holiday season. Wishing you and your family a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. God bless.